All right, so let's look at another one that's a little bit more difficult. 1/2 times t plus 5 is less than 11. All right, well, I start with, I've got that plus 5, so I want to add a minus 5 over there to cancel that out, okay? And remember, adding and subtracting are inverse operations, so they cancel each other out. So really when I'm thinking about this, I can take this number and write it right here, and then this is the opposite operation of this. But what I do to this side, I have to do to this side. So since I subtracted 5 on the left, I have to subtract 5 on the right, and that leaves me 6. So 1/2 times t is less than 6. So I have 1/2 times some number is less than 6. All right, well, I can divide both sides by 1/2. Okay, and I know that it's kind of weird to see if multiple fractions in this fraction, but it's a division problem, so it's okay. So 1/2 divided by 1/2, it gets rid of that. That gives me my coefficient of 1, so I'm left with t. But now I have to do 6 divided by 1/2. So up here, 6 divided by 1/2. All right, so I have to remember when I have a whole number, if I put it over 1, that turns it into a fraction. All right, so now I have fractions. Now I need to think about keep, change, flip. So keep, change, flip. Keep the 6 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip that 1/2 to 2 over 1. Remember, 1 goes down, the 2 goes up. So now I can multiply like normal. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 12 over 12 is, 12 over 1 gives me 12, because 12 divided by 1 gives me 12. So t is less than 12. All right, so let's think about this. So t is less than 12, so let's do a check and say, well, what if t was equal to 10? Okay, so 1/2 times 10 plus 5. All right, well, again, I'm going to put 10 over 1. I have my fractions, so I can do 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, so 10 halves is the same as 5, okay, so this part right here is 5, and then I bring down this plus 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 is less than 12, so that works as well. All right, remember when I see 1/2 t, that means I'm cutting t in half. 1/2 t is like me cutting t in half, so I'm like dividing it by 2. 1/2 times t is the same thing as t divided by 2. Okay, we can think about 1/2 times t, I'm cutting t in half. All right, so there is one little exception to inequalities.